do you think that this kind of tool, maybe not mob exactly, or maybe you have these features, I don't know, but do you think that this kind of solutions, they will actually bring the value to the customer? Like, I'm fixing your problems for you. In case of mob, I know that you can even customize the fix, right? You select the type of data, the parameter name, and so on and so forth, which is awesome. Not only the only button that to push, then you don't like that code, then you need to reverse and so on. But do you think that this also help on the educational side? Like, developers are fixing, doing the code review, let's say, but they are also learning, because in the end of the day, we don't want to go to the doctor every day, right? We want to eat healthy, go to the gym, and be healthy, yeah, until we die, and that's fine. Do you think this also helped them to learn how to code, let's say, safely?
It's a really interesting question. It comes up a lot. I think it's very dependent on the developers. You mentioned Checkmarx. Checkmarx were one of the two vendors that I reached out initially as we started, and I told them, this is what we're building. I want to work with you, right? I was never interested in finding the problems. I want to help developers and organizations solve the problems. I had a discussion with one CISO early on, and he said, Eitan, I love this solution. My developers can actually learn how to fix issues now because you're showing them how to fix. And I told him, Ante, I don't think that they will, because they see SQL injection vulnerability maybe once a quarter. There is no muscle memory here. I heard from others that they said, well, our developers actually see that every other week, so maybe they will learn. I know also customers that we have and prospect that we spoke with that said, I'm not sure I like it because you're allowing our developers to stay ignorant to security. You're making it easier for them to not care about security. I think we are making it easy for those that want to learn. They will see the code. They will see, oh, this is how I was supposed to do that. I'll try to remember next time. Next time they forgot, again and again, at the end, it will stick. But for those developers that don't care about security, I don't think that mob will make them care more, but nothing will. So the way that we look at it, we are serving two things. First of all, we are helping organizations be more secure, which is very important. But more interestingly, we are helping them be more productive. If a developer spends 2, 3, 5, 9 hours to fix an issue, and now with a click of a button, they can see the fix that mob did and just merge it, save them, they can go and do something that they were actually paid and hired to do, which sadly was never, I don't know about you, Casio, but I never heard about a developer that was actually in the interview asked security questions. For dev, if they are hired for AppSec or security engineers, yet, but not for dev. So why do we expect them to learn? I learned computer science. I'm old. Back in 1999, I learned about input validation, but not in the context of security. In the context of, if you're expecting to get this parameter, this is what you're looking for. So it's a shame, but as long as developers don't learn from day one, as long as cyber is not a mandatory course, I think we can only try to help. But again, it's always a matter of layers. Training is important. Scanning is important. Fixing is very important. Otherwise, you just scan and you're just stuck, right?
Awesome. I like this answer, and I brought this educational topic because I really like to see. I like to imagine the perfect world where we don't have vulnerabilities, right? And to this to happen, everybody must know about security and don't create them, not create vulnerabilities. But as you said, it's kind of impossible to do. Some developers, they will not care, and it's fine. And there will be the days that always you need to go to the doctor. You always need to go to a SaaS solution, and you always need some mob to, okay, give me the fix because I have no idea what is the vulnerabilities. And you mentioned like, okay, a SQL injection, maybe it's too popular. More or less everybody know between codes here. But when it comes, I don't know, to heap inspection, like what the hell is heap inspection, right? And the solution can provide the fix. You click a button, you are protected, because that's the goal in the end of the day, right? To be protected, to be safe and to be secure. Okay, I agree with this answer. I agree.
Oi, gostou desse corte? Então te aconselho a seguir o perfil, que tem muito mais conteúdo, e também te convido a continuar o episódio completo na íntegra.